Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Start with excitement. Apple is about to change the way we think about the Apple TV forever. The 2025 model isn't just another streaming box. It's shaping up to be Apple's biggest push yet into gaming. AI and the smart home set the stage. Mention the history of Apple TV from its early days as a simple streaming device to becoming a 4K powerhouse. Apple TV has steadily evolved, but now, thanks to leaks, rumors, and Apple's own accidental code reveals, we have a clear picture of what's coming next. In this deep dive, we'll explore every major leak, rumored spec, top 10 features, release date expectations, and pricing details. By the end, you'll know exactly why the Apple TV 2025 could be the most exciting upgrade in years. Background rumors point to a major refresh of the Apple TV 4K in 2025, marking the first hardware upgrade since 2022. Apple appears poised to elevate the device beyond streaming, integrating gaming, AI, and home hub capabilities. Massive code leak. Apple unintentionally revealed details via internal code, confirming a new Apple TV 4K equipped with the A17 Pro chip, a custom Wi-Fi Bluetooth chip codenamed Proxima, a smart home focus, and AI integration. Performance leap sources suggest this new Apple TV will deliver consolable gaming. It's capable of running resource-intensive titles like Assassin's Creed, Resident Evil 4 Remake, and Death Stranding.ai and Apple Intelligence. The A17 Pro is expected to support Apple Intelligence, enabling smarter Siri, personalized content, and possibly on-device AI experiences. Specs and features: hardware processor, a 17 Pro iPhone 15 Pro chip, or possibly A18 and 19 in other variants. Design: likely a slimmer form, possibly metal construction, moving away from pure plastic. Cooling might include a small fan to support sustained high-performance workloads. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 6, E or 7, Bluetooth 5.3, powered by the Proxima chip. Memory: upgraded RAM, likely 8 GB plus 2 accommodate AI features. Software and interface: TVOs. 26. Features: liquid glass visual effects, improved navigation, Apple Music Sing Karaoke, enhanced profile switching, and simplified app login flows. Metal. For support, enhanced graphics framework, boost in gaming visuals. Smart home hub, deeper integration with HomeKit, serving as a central home control point. FaceTime and gesture control speculative. Some reports suggest a built-in camera for video, calls, and gesture-based navigation, though these remain unconfirmed. Top 10 rumored features: 1. A 17 Pro, or a 18, a 19 chip for high-end performance. 2. Support for Apple Intelligence AI enhanced Siri recommendations. 3. Proxima chip, Wi-Fi 6 E7 plus Bluetooth 5.3. 4. Metal. 4. Graphics API for elevated gaming visuals. 5. Liquid glass UI for smooth, modern interface animations. 6. Potential camera plus gesture controls for FaceTime and navigation. 7. Compact metal design, possibly with cooling mechanism. 8. Role as a HomeKit hub with smart home integration. 9. Improved gaming capability, console level performance. 10. Affordable pricing strategy, under $100 or options around $180. Release date and pricing. Outlook: expected announcement in September 2025, likely following the iPhone 17 series event. Availability anticipated in October, December 2025, timed for the holiday season. Pricing speculations: entry-level price rumored to be under $100, making it highly competitive. Alternate estimates place it at around $180, reflecting its premium. Features: current baseline models sit between $129, $149 for 64 GB, 128 GB Wi-Fi versions. Gaming evolution: with powerful hardware and metal for Apple TV could challenge traditional consoles and cater to cloud arcade gamers. AI integration, personalization, recommendations solidify its role as a smarter home entertainment hub. Smart Home Central. Deeper HomeKit functionality. positions it as a core of future smart home ecosystems. Broader market reach. Lower pricing could bring Apple TV into more households, not just among existing Apple users. Summary table category insights. Chipset A17 Pro or A18 and 19 for console-level performance. RAM likely is greater than or equal to 8 GB to support Apple Intelligence. Networking Proxima chip, delivering Wi-Fi 6E7 and Bluetooth 5.3 software tvOS 26. Liquid Glass UI, metal for support. Apple Music SingSmart features AI-powered personalization. HomeKit hub, possible FaceTime and gesture control. Design slimmer, possibly metal, maybe with cooling fan launch window sept announcement. Q4 availability price rumored between $100 to $180, depending on configuration. So there you have it. The Apple TV 2025 is shaping up to be more than a streaming device. With console-level gaming, Apple Intelligence integration, and smarter home controls, this could finally be the year Apple TV becomes the centerpiece of your living room. If Apple nails the pricing and delivers on these features, competitors like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and even traditional gaming consoles may have a serious new rival. What do you think? Will the Apple TV 2025 replace your streaming box or even your game console? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's next big thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Apple leaks, rumors, and updates.